If you find yourself locked out of your Stampli account, follow these steps to regain access quickly and efficiently. Step 1. Visit the login page. Go to the Stampli login page using your web browser. Ensure you are on the official site to avoid phishing attempts. Step 2. Click on Forgot Password. Before starting recovery, use the srock.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 3. Enter your email address. Input the email address associated with your Stampli account. Make sure it is correct to receive the recovery email. Step 4. Check your email. Look for an email from Stampli with instructions on how to reset your password. If you don't see it in your inbox, check your spam or junk folder. Step 5. Follow the reset instructions. Click the link provided in the email and follow the prompts to create a new password. Once completed, return to the login page and enter your new credentials. After completing these steps, you should be able to access your Stampli account again. If you continue to experience issues, consider reaching out to Stampli's customer support for further assistance.